Good morning, everyone. Today I was looking at AMD as a stock. I'm not going to take any trade, but I was just explaining how I am analyzing the stock, if it is an uptrend or downtrend for a few days. And you are seeing my screen right now. That's a Think or Sim platform for Ameritrade brokerage. I go to trade, I enter the ticker. I do not even look at the option chain right now. I am analyzing the option statistics for today. And if you can see, as I explained before, the number of calls which are traded at bid or below is 56,000 compared to the number of calls traded at ask or above, which is 45,600 approximately. It means that more number of calls are being sold than bought, which is a bearish strategy. If you know, again, looking at the puts, the number of puts which are traded total at or above ask price is 52,000, which is significantly greater than 31,000, which is the number of puts sold at bid or below, which means that both these calls and puts, the total volume at what price they are traded, it is giving a significant input to us in concluding that the price of the stock has to go down, because both of these are bearish scenarios, right? Now, to confirm that, I went back to the TradeEthics platform. If you see for AMD, the option summary that I see is this red line, which is trending down. It hints that the price is going to come down. And similarly, if you see the net flow of put options is increasing and the net flow of call options is decreasing, which again is a hint of bearish scenario, right? The total open interest and the daily premiums, if you look at the daily premiums here, more calls are being sold, which is negative. More puts are being bought is positive, right? And then I double checked with the whale stream platform. It is really good platform for options flow. And when I went to the options flow and typed in AMD, in the buy side, I see puts are being bought for 13th of October expiry. I see 110 strike, 101 strike puts. When I click on sales, I see most of these are calls which are being sold. Now, if you ask me what does selling a call means, it is a bearish scenario where the whoever is selling the calls, bank or institution, they are thinking that the price of the stock will go down. So if a number of 110 calls are being sold, which means that the price of the stock will be below 110 on or before 20th of October. And similarly, you can see it for November, we have the 115 and 120 calls being sold out. So on the options platform or on these whale stream and TradeEthics websites, which give you the real-time options flow, the most significant input that you can get is when number of these calls are being sold out for out of the money strikes, and when puts are being bought uh, as well. Right now, you might also ask, I also see a few of these calls which are long calls, which should create a bullish scenario. But overall, looking at the TradeEthics, looking at the whale stream, and looking at the Thinkorswim platform, the total options flow on the Thinkorswim platform as well, I can conclude that it is a bearish scenario for me. So if we want to do some trading in the demo account, like if you want to trade with your paper money, I would suggest we can take a few of these trades. So we can play it in a few different ways. One is we can sell the 111 call. Let me have a quick look at it here. Because if we are trading it for this week expiry, I don't want to take any risk in going long, like buying puts or by doing a put spread. We can do that, but it will lose money significantly because we only have 4 or 5 days left. So I would like to sell out of the money calls for October 13th, or if you want, you can go for October 20th. I will just sell okay, doesn't give us enough credit. So I would probably do sell for October 13th. expiry for AMD, I would sell the 111 and buy the 110 call for 12 bucks credit, which means that we have 80% or 88% of probability of this going in our favor. As long as the price of the AMD stock, if it is below 111 when the contract expires this weekend, Friday 13th of October, we would keep 12 cents. And this is a safer strategy for us. Now, I would also suggest let's do it in the paper trading platform so that you practice a lot before you actually spend your own money from the brokerage account. So we can take this trade in the paper money account. I am going to sell 10 and buy 10, as you can see on the screen. Okay. And then we can go to activity and positions to see we have one position, which is a bearish position created for this. So I'm doing it in paper money. You can do practice in paper money account. Let us see where the price of this stock is by this Friday. And if we are able to capture some of the gains, I will have a few more scenarios as and when I look at the market data. Thank you so much for joining, and please subscribe my channel if you're interested. Thank you.